Diamond Turf 2 Kansas City Royals returns with a narrative rooted in the early journey of Deion Sanders, reflecting his time with the Kansas City Royals before becoming a dual-sport icon. This edition blends royal blue synthetic overlays with a sail-tone textured leather base, delivering a look that feels both heritage-driven and wearable today. Performance remains central to the design. The upper uses structured leather for durability and lateral stability, while reinforced overlays protect high wear zones. A signature midfoot strap enhances lockdown, helping reduce internal movement during quick transitions. Breathability is supported through subtle perforations, keeping airflow consistent during extended use. Underfoot, a Phylon midsole works alongside a visible air unit to provide balanced cushioning and shock absorption. The rubber outsole ensures reliable traction across multiple surfaces, while the heel counter adds stability and alignment. Set for release on June 12, 2026, this model continues to connect sport history with modern versatility.